Hello, whoever's watching this. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first episode of Affan's Toys Reveal. So today we're going to Edinburgh to buy some toys, but we don't find any toys today. Tomorrow we'll be going to Pound Shop to find some toys.
What's your challenge today, Affan?
Today's challenge is to find the toy in a zoo only for £10. But we don't succeed today. We're going Pound Shop tomorrow, like I said.
Okay, let's go inside. Where are you going, Affan?
We're going to find some toys. Oh,
Okay, you excited about it?
yeah. Or under £10, or even more than under £10 or £10. But we don't find today, like I said, we're going to Pound Shop tomorrow.
Let's see if you can find something under £10.
Maybe this is another challenge I'm trying to find. Maybe we can find treasure X. People say we can find treasure X. But toys are sold, so let's try and complete our challenges. Maybe
Here you go. We are here.
maybe here. No, not this side. Or the street toys I'll be the kindest. Pokemon. I like Pokemon.
How much is that?
I don't know. Pokemon. I don't know. Pokemon.
Yeah, that's
I don't know.
9.87.
Pokemon. Can we get it? I don't know how much.
Let's see what other toys we have here.
Okay. I'm good. Let's see. What's here? The Incredibles! The Incredibles! Incredibles! Let's see if there's any Treasure X here. No Treasure X. Let's go to the next aisle. Kids, there's nothing interesting here. Let's go to next aisle.
What are you looking for?
We're looking for something or something.
Oh, that's it. There's nothing else.
Maybe we're missing the aisle. And we can't even find Treasure X. Probably Sonny's will give it to you.
So there's no Treasure X here.
I know, but we're still looking at these toys. You haven't seen all of them yet. Hey, look, snake and ladders.
How much is that?
Let's see.
Oh, that's £5. So if someone wants to buy snake and ladder, they can buy for £5 from Asda, right?
I don't think we want five. I don't think I want snake and ladders.
Okay, that's okay if you don't want it.
Mom has snake and ladders on her phone, so there's no reason to get it. Pokemon, I want to see that question.
What is that?
It's a Pokemon inside a Pokeball. I think I know how to use it. My friend Jade has one of these. You take the ball and inside this Pokemon, you have to press this button and it's closed. Then you can see the Pokemon. Kids, if you know this Pokemon's name, subscribe in the link below. Water balloon is 200 in them. That's a lot. I don't know.
Oh, that's 150.
I see something in the back. Let's see what it is. Cool. Alien. Alien egg.
How much is that?
Kids, first you have to put this in the water, then it starts hatching and the next day you can see its head, and then the fourth day you can see the whole alien in this egg.
That's quite interesting, isn't it? How much is that? Let's find out. How much
And
is
the
that?
water gets bigger and bigger.
Oh, that's $4.97. If anyone wants this egg, they can buy from Esther, right?
Yep. Let's see what. Oh, this is just like Treasure X. You can take this out and just dig for it. Inside there's stones and even gold. And kids, you can. This is an ad on TV. You can tame these raptors or let them go wild. They're like fingerling, but not that good.
They are available in different colors here,
They're
right?
available different colors. They're in red, they're in orange, red, they're in red, green, and light green, and purple. Back there. Look at this motorcycle. It looks cool.
You don't fancy motorcycle now?
Nah. I used to have this in London. This is a gift when you have these fishing rods and you have to get these. What color of fishing rod, you have to get that color of fish. And if you want to make it challenging, just take 2 players and then you can just see who can get the most fish. It's in 5 minutes. That's a challenge. I used to be a normal kid who watches his reviews of Ryan Toys Review, and I saw this toy Ryan has been playing once. You have to throw this disc. It's inside there to get a point. And I know how to play that game. That game is easy to play. I've played it before. You have these keys. You have these like coins, and then whoever gets 4 in a row in those coins, and you win the game. It's kind of simple. So now has this enough of buildings. Figures. We have Star Wars figures here. And now over here, there's Spider-Man toys, and this is Dr. Octopus. And now we got over here. There's 2 Captain America figures and 1 Hulk smash, Hulk angry. And here we got purple Power Ranger, blue Power Ranger, and Snipe. And here we got some superheroes. We have Aquaman and And if you know of these three figures, subscribe on the link below as well. And over here, we got Minecraft. Well, this one's
Oh,
open.
that looks like an empty box.
No, that was open. But this is a Minecraft box. Series 10? This has to be... this is Series 10. 10's watch.
You have one of these?
But it's a little one, but it's out of battery. Look at this. We're gonna, that's how you do it. I seen on a YouTube channel, but I don't know what's his name. But hello kids, we just come out of Ezra and now we're going home. And I got a Kinder Egg. I let you on. So when we get home, we're gonna in the car. We're gonna see what's inside. So it's gonna be a Ninja Turtle. Came from a Ninja Turtle egg. Guess what a Ninja Turtle is? If you think it's Michelangelo or Raffaello or Donatello or Leonardo, or type in the link below as well. All the other things I asked. Show you.
There you go.
We found a lot of things on Palm, but I wasn't interested in them. So we're going home now. Because I feel today's I didn't find any good toys what I liked, so at home I'm gonna make an extra video to go with this, but with my own toys what I already opened. And I'll see you next time in another fun on toys review. Bye bye.